One of the last things that we're going to talk about is division. So here's the official definition, or the mathematical definition. For any whole numbers a and b with b non-zero, a divided by b equals c if and only if c is a unique whole number such that b times c equals a. So we're writing division or defining division in terms of multiplication, right? So we're trying to find the missing factor that makes it a. And in terms of this, a is a dividend, b is a divisor, and c is called the quotient. So quotient just means so this written as in terms of fraction would be a over b, and that is equal to c. So with addition having multiple models, division also has multiple models. So the first one is partition model, or the set model. So if we're dividing, it means we're partitioning into subsets. So we'll see how that looks in terms of a problem. The next one is a missing factor model. So if students are comfortable with multiplication, it's kind of a guess and check, and eventually they'll find a systematic way to do it. But to get an idea of what the operation is, you can use a missing factor model to lead into what division is from multiplication. And then, whereas multiplication was repeated addition, division is repeated subtraction. So we'll see how each of these ties in to when we're doing a problem, and I'll demo that for you in a bit. But first, the division algorithm. So given any whole numbers a and b with b non-zero, there exists a unique whole number q and r. Q stands for the quotient, r for the remainder, such that a is equal to b times q plus r, where r is a whole number that's less than b. So it's a lot written down, but I'll show you what that means in terms of numbers. So the special note here is when the remainder is 0, we say that it is divisible by whatever we were dividing. So these are 3 different ways to say the same thing. And now into the next video, we'll do some examples and actually demonstrate the division algorithm along with the different methods that we have.